Guys, click to install. And as you can see, Play Store is installed. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Play Store. And by the way, before moving on to the video, if you subscribe to my channel just below and like my video, you will support me. Then let's pass to the video. First of all, you need to have Microsoft Edge. Follow if you don't see it on your desktop or don't have it. Go to the taskbar and type Microsoft Edge, so you can download or open it from here. If you don't have the taskbar, or it doesn't show up anyway, let me show you how to download it. Type download Microsoft Edge on your web browser. And enter this website. And then you can download it and we can continue with our video. Open Microsoft Edge. And type Play Store. And enter Play Store's website. Now let's download Play Store app. Click on the 3 dots in the right corner. And come to Apps section and final step, click this. Name it Play Store or edit it however you like. Guys, click to install. And as you can see, Play Store is installed. Tick these 3 and click Allow. And now you can close the tab. Let's take a look at our app.